Good morning mga katropa! Dito sa Nodes Mods Numalit Channel, mayroon po tayo magandang balita ulit sa ating mga seniors na ay pamamahagi ko po sa inyo para malaman po naman ninyo ang tungkol dito. The National Commission of Senior Citizens, NCSC, and the Commission on Human Rights, CHR, push for legally binding international treaty to protect the rights of all older persons, including Filipino migrant workers. Ayan po. NCSC Chairperson Attorney Maria Merceditas Gutierrez called for a fundamental shift in how society views aging. She said that older persons are entitled to the full and equal enjoyment of all human rights, both civil and political rights, as well as economic, social, and cultural rights, free from any form of discrimination. Oh, maganda po. NCSC has the mandate under Republic Act number 11350 that extend beyond domestic policy implementation to shaping international standards on aging. Ayan. At sinundan pa ito ni CSR Commissioner Bida Epres, a focal commissioner for the human rights of older persons, highlighted the significance of the consultation in bringing together both civil society and government agencies. During the consultation, they identified key rights that must be reflected in the proposed treaty. These include social protection, the right to work beyond retirement, and the right to self-organization. Ayan na, kahit 60 years old ka na, ay pwede ka pang magtrabaho. They also underscored that the agreement should establish clear obligations, not only for states, but also for non-state actors, including families and communities in supporting and protecting older persons. Ayan. They said that they will do their best to push this agenda forward and secure a legally binding instrument. Ang ganda. It may take time, but they will get there as they promised. This initiative, attended by representative organizations, civil society groups, and government agencies, follows the adoption of United Nations Human Rights Council Resolution 58 of League 13, ayan, which created an intergovernmental working group tasked draft a treaty addressing protection gaps faced by older persons worldwide. Oh. Kaya kung napapansin nyo, mga katropa, ay makikita nyo na yung may mga matatanda beyond 60 years old na nagtatrabaho pa sa ngayon. Napansin ko po yan nang pumunta ako sa McDonald's, nakita ko doon. Sabi ko, bakit nagtatrabaho pa ito? Halatang matanda na matanda na. Ayun pala to. Ngayon na intindihan ko na po. Tulad sa mga fast food chain, ay nakikita nyo sila. Magandang hangarin ito para sa ating mga older persons, including OFWs. Kasi kung pwede ka pa naman magtrabaho, eh bakit naman hindi? No? So maganda po itong hangarin nila. Sana ma-push through itong treaty na ito para sa kapakanan ng ating mga older persons. Yan, maganda po itong treaty na ito. No? Eh, sana lang ay magkakaroon ito ng talagang magandang batas na pag nagawa itong treaty na ito ay ma-recognize at maayos po. So mabuhay po talaga para sa lahat, lalo na dito sa ating National Commission of Senior Citizens, NCSC, at dito sa Commission on Human Rights, CSR. Maganda po to. Sana po ay mayroon tayong mga ganitong mga hangarin na para naman sa ating mga matatanda. Ay napakaganda po. So, paano mga katropa, hanggang dito na lang po ang aking vlog at masalam. Maraming salamat po. Bye-bye! See you!